And I'm Sarah.
And today is Trick Tip Tuesday. As always, make sure you're warmed up and stretched. This is the action you want in your side jete. Développé your first leg out and kick your second leg up. Don't do your jump like this. This is one leg then the other leg. We want both up at the same time. This is the action you want to get in the air. From the side angle, you can really see how they're reaching forward at the top of their jump.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video.
Make sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram.
See you next time.